Welcome to Pi Network. Today we're gonna be talking about how we can start your Pi network. Most people don't know much about Pi Network. You're welcome for beginners, and also you have come to the right place. Before we start, do where to subscribe and click the notification button to be notified whenever I post a new video. Okay, we're going to talk about how you can mine free crypto from a free app. I'm about to show you, and you can start earning 24/7. So let's get to my phone, and I want to show you exactly how this works and how you can start in crypto right now. Okay, so this is the app. It's called Pi Network, and you can just download this from Google Play or the Apple Store, and you just download it and then just open it up, and what it's going to ask you is it's going to ask you to prompt and give you a referral code, and this is how they're actually spreading word of mouth about this sexual app. So you just put in my referral code, which is Crypto Lightword, and you get access to it without a referral code. You can't use this app, and if you just get a certain percentage of the mining, so it's nothing like network marketing or anything, it's just you just need someone to get someone's invite. So once you get into the app, I'm just going to explain how you actually start mining and how it all works. So you just go. I'll ask you to verify your phone number, and just verify your phone number, and then you're gonna start earning. So as you can see here, at the top here, you can tell that I'm just earning right now, and you can just see how much you're earning, and you start off as pioneer, then you go to a contributor later, and then if you refer people, we get ambassador as well. Okay, so you can earn more per hour. As you can see, they're learning about 5.2 pi per hour. Okay, and we just go and have a look at the white paper. What this program or this app will do is it will just mine basically just crypto on your phone, and it's just trying to bridge the gap between basically the payment systems currently in the world that don't make it accessible for people that don't have access to banking and financial services. So what this app is going to do is basically allow everyone to mine high on their network on their phone, because pretty much everyone's got a mobile phone, and there's other things that are coming as well. This is just a core team, so you get a bit of a read about it for creating this app, this actual mining cryptocurrency, but you can have them read through the white paper and talk about the roadmap, a little bit of how they want to achieve in the future. They've got a bunch of things coming in the future, and you can have a read that it's quite extensive, this white paper, so they can understand a little bit about how the crypto works. It runs on Stellar, uses at the Stellar Consensus Protocol, and a little bit about how the nodes will work with later on the future, and just all that sort of kind of techie stuff. If you want to get into it, just get up on the tab here up the top left, and then you can see all the different tabs. Okay, now like I said before, you can refer people to Stellar. Sorry, to Pi Network, it's not mandatory, but again, this is how they actually distributing this app. They're using this referral topper system, where anyone that wants to start mining crypto, they just need a referral code, and then they can start mining, and this just gets the app out there. Okay, so this actual earnings for Pi Network, it is going to be limited for the mining, because they're gonna start producing mining rewards from the phone fairly soon, and they've got different targets before they stop doing that. But right now I think there's about 200,000 users, so it's still fairly early in the game, so you can still get into it while it's new and the nodes aren't out yet. So there's the actual coin itself. There's actually no value of the coin itself, because how this works is what they're going to do is that if they're using similar to Google and Facebook, the freemium model, so basically what they do is they get this app out to as many people as possible. They allow people to earn rewards in the beginning, and then it's got a deflationary model, where as more users come onto the network, they're going to decrease the mining rewards, and eventually the mining will stop eventually, and they've got this deflationary mechanism within the built into the code. You can actually read more about this in the white paper, and this is how most crypto is work, and they use this type of model because when more people start using the actual application and start using it, the actual crypto itself, it becomes more valuable. As they decrease the supply, the remaining supply becomes valuable. So for this to work, people have to start using the app and start earning cryptocurrency, which is pretty much given, right? That's gonna happen over time, and then as they use the deflationary mechanism already built into the code, it's going to basically increase the value over time. So this is it just really talks about here, they're the PI economic model, balancing scarcity and access. So this is what I just talked about before. It's going to fix supply, decreasing block rewards, the cons in inverted means uneven distribution model. More people in today is the primary contribution, so basically the pie economic model is simple fair distribution, scarcity and meteoric earnings. So this is all the technical stuff about it which you can read, but basically to sum it up without making this video too long, you can just get the app now. It's absolutely free. You can just open it up, verify your number, and then you can just start basically starting crypto right now with you don't need people to actually start with any crypto. So as you can see, I've got a few people there, 24, and when you go into here, actually I'll go into anything fine. So you start off as a pioneer, and then when you come contributor later, once you get a circle of 5 people, you can just go into it and then just allocate it, and you'll start anymore. Okay, just allocate the people, and the ambassador is basically the Riga referrals. All right, you get 25% of what they earn you'll get per hour. So you start off as pioneer, then you go as contributor after 3 mining sessions, and then after that you can then add the people at 5 people, then you start getting more rewards, and then as an ambassador that's just your referrals. So yeah, 25% from anyone that's earning in your network, you get 25% of the shares, and then this nodes that's going to come later, which basically is a software that runs on like a computer, either locally or through a virtual private server, and this just basically kind of like does all the background work and kind of like secures the network, processes tasks that need to be done in the network, and just basically it does all look kind of like housekeeping. And if you run a node later on, don't release more info about a node, but if you run a node you can actually get more rewards. They're gonna cut the supply from the mining. Once this hits like 2 million users, they're gonna stop the mining, but you can still earn basically from the nodes. Alright, so if you don't know what nodes are, of Node Master nodes, they've been around for a while, and their way to earn cryptocurrency by you just securing the network and basically becoming like a computer that validates certain things and certain tasks on the network. So they don't need that computer power. You dedicate the resources to the network, and then you get paid in crypto. So there's a whole bunch of things coming. Again, this is absolutely free. There's no guarantee you can make anything with this. Okay, I'm just sharing this with you guys. As I said there, I am earning basically crypto every hour, and if this becomes big in the future, I've done it didn't cost me a cent. But if it doesn't work out and the project dies off, well, really I haven't put any finances to this, so I'm not gonna lose anything fun. Actually just a bit of time, but the table thought I'd put this out there for you guys that I want to earn crypto from your phone. Just go and download it now, start earning, and just use the referral code CryptoLight. There you go guys, I hope you found the video helpful starting some crypto now. If you got some value, just like and subscribe, and don't forget to leave a comment below. Don't forget to hit the bell notification as well so you get all my new videos. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Catch you later.